Hello everybody, I'm John Valentine father.
Hello, I'm John Valentine son.
Welcome to Father and Son. They're mixed in. Careful.
Ooh, watch yourself with that knife.
Yes. Watch yourself with that knife. That's very good advice. Watch yourself with that knife. How would I say that in Korean?
Literally, you would say 칼 보세요. But
칼 보세요.
that's not the meaning of what I'm trying to say. What I mean is 칼 조심하세요.
So be careful. How about this? Watch yourself with the knife.
Mm-hmm.
Watch yourself is be careful.
Yes.
With the knife. Watch yourself with the knife.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How do I say it in Korean?
칼 조심하세요.
칼
조심하세요. 하세요.
칼 조심하세요.
Yes.
I see. 칼 조심하세요.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I'm chopping up the onions here. They should be.
Are they getting spicy yet? Making your eyes water?
No. The onions are not making my eyes water at all. All right. What I'm going to do is going to put these onions into the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Try not to cut myself with the knife. I'm going to watch myself with this knife.
Very sound advice.
Okay. All right, got that. Now, I've already prepared some other things. I'm going to put a little bit of chopped up celery.
Mm-hmm.
And I've got some black pepper. Do you like black pepper?
Yes, I do.
I like black pepper too. Black pepper's awesome.
I recently heard on the news, I think, saying that black pepper makes you age faster. But they say a lot of things about a lot of things.
Yes, that's true. A lot of things. This is garlic salt, by the way. A little garlic salt.
Garlic is good for you.
I don't even know if there's real garlic in garlic salt. I think it's just garlic smelling salt.
Still good in my book.
Well, I'm also going to put in some spicy peppers. Do you like spicy peppers?
To an extent.
Well, these are Mexican style jalapeno.
Ooh.
Jalapeno peppers. So we've got some onions and some peppers. I think that should be just enough spice. And some black pepper, some celery.
It sounds like it's gonna be quite spicy.
No, not too bad, not too bad. And remember, this isn't really dinner. This is just kind of a snack.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of a nice little snack dish that I'm preparing here.
Might have a nice little kick to it.
I hope so. All right. Well, let me see now.
So what's the next step?
Just to mix everything.
Mm-hmm.
So let me get rid of this.
How often would you make this?
Well, as far as chicken goes, I used to use a lot more chicken. I used to cook chicken a lot more.
Mm-hmm.
But these days I don't eat much chicken. So I would say this kind of dish I make maybe twice a year.
Ooh, it's a rare occasion.
Yeah. Twice a year. Not because it's special, it's just that I usually eat other things. This is just yellow mustard.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to mix a little bit just for flavor. Yes, there we go.
Do you prefer yellow mustard or honey mustard?
I love honey, but every time some recipe says that it is honey, like honey whiskey or honey crackers or honey anything, it usually ends up being too sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Just extremely sweet, which I don't really like too much.
I see.
Yeah. All right, so I've got the basics mixed in there now. I've already boiled and cut up the chicken pieces.
Mm-hmm.
So this is. I know that a lot of people eat tuna sandwiches, tuna fish. Think of it that way. Except instead of tuna, Chicken. Chicken salad.
Should have more protein.
More protein than tuna?
I think so, yeah.
How do you know that?
I eat a lot of chicken breasts.
So, chicken has more protein than tuna?
I mean, in general workout diets, they say chicken breast for protein and not tuna, so must be the better choice.
I see. So even when you're exercising, they tell you to eat chicken breast.
Mm-hmm.
How about fried chicken?
Too much oil. Just plain old boiled chicken breast. That's for the protein.
I like fried chicken. Yeah, you know, people always say the things that taste the best end up being not good for you.
It's very, very true.
And the things that you eat think, oh, it tastes terrible, it's probably pretty good for your health. I guess the secret then is to find something that tastes good and is good for your health.
Or you just have to improve your palate so that you just enjoy everything. It's really up to you, I guess.
Well, yeah, to be honest, I really don't know how this is going to turn out. I've mixed all the stuff together, and I'm in a little sample. Let me see here.